Okay, so here we go. Here is the retrofit after we turned around and retrofitted and gutted out a really bad supposed crawl space encapsulation. So as you can see, the vapor barrier is totally sealed and also pinned all the way around here, blocking out all the water. There is drainage that went along this entire crawl space, and the company used a product that they call, oh gosh, what, J-Drain. It's a really terrible product, and I showed pictures and videos before of what that looks like, and it's just god awful. And it of course failed, as it always does. So we got a real drainage going in here, and we're going to walk you through this. So as you can see, we had a lot of retrofitting to do, and the cost to this customer after they already paid the first time didn't really allow for the cost of turning around and leveling the ground, because it is so wavy. So we used one of our other vapor barrier products that's more flexible. So the sub pump over there was originally installed by a different contractor, and we retrofitted and sealed that up properly. So now it's actually doing its job, and the water's actually making it to there. We've wrapped and sealed all the columns properly. If you remember, there was a bunch of exposed columns where the water vapor from the ground got right up into the crawl space and caused a bunch of mold. We've taken care of the mold on the floor joists and everything else. So over here is our 1850 April Air Dehumidifier, now controlling the relative humidity, which was 81% not very long ago, a couple hours ago. It is down to 65% now, and we still got the door open. We haven't been able to close it yet, but this April Air Dehumidifier is set at 45% relative humidity. It will get it down to that here shortly, and then it will cut off and only cycle on after it does its samples. But as you can see, you can look how nice this job really is now, and absolutely beautiful. So I'll take you along here again. Here's our clear view condensate pump. That pump will self-clean as well, and as you can see, it is getting a lot of, the dehu's pumping out a lot of moisture right now into that condensate pump, and then our line's taking it right over there to the sub pump itself. We'll take you over to this area. So now you can see how nice this crawl space actually looks. Come over here. And see. Now we have a beautiful, clean, dry crawl space. Encapsulation done properly. Unfortunately, this customer had to pay twice, because the cheaper is often the more expensive. Invest your money wisely. Do your research. Thanks so much for everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Please hit the like and share button, and tell your friends about HydroHero if they're thinking about getting their crawl space taken care of. Find us on the web at watermolpros.com and soon to be hydroheroes.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.